chapter Kingdom Planting. Question number 1. Mannitol sugar alcohol is the stored food in option A chara, option B porphyra, option C fungus, option D gracilaria. Answer to this question is option A chara. Question number 2. Red tide is caused by option A Noctiluca, option B Gymnodium, option C Gynox lex, option D all of these. Answer to this question is option D all of these. Question number 3. Agar agar obtained from option A Gigatica, option B Geladium, option C gracilaria, option D all of these. Answer to this is D all of these, because agar agar is a jelly like substance. It is a non-nitrogenous carbohydrate consisting of 2 polysaccharides. Consists of 2 polysaccharides, namely agarose and acropectin. Agarose and agaropectin. It is obtained from several red algae, example Gracilaria, Geladium, Gigatina. It was discovered by Lady Hesse and used by Robert Koch to solidify culture medium. Question 4. Which one is a parasitic algae? Option A Wucheria, option B Polysiphonia, option C Cephalaris, option D Betracospharum. Answer to this is option C Cephalaris. Cephalaris virusins is a member of class Chlorophyceae. And cause disease red rust of tea leaf, that is Thea sinensis. So answer is option C Cephalaris. Question number 5. Sporophytic generation is represented by zygote only, option A Funaria, option B Caladomonas, option C Pinus, option D Selaginella. So answer to this is option B Caladomonas. Question 6. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Option A Caladomonas unicellular flagellated, option B Laminaria flattened leaf like thallus, option C Corella unicellular non-flagellated, option D Spirogyra filamentous structure, option E Volvox colonial form non-flagellated. So which of the following is not correctly matched? Option A, B, C and D all are matched properly. Option E is. Question number 7. Isomorphic alternation of generations is found in option A Edugonium, option B Chara, option C Wucheria, option D Ectogalphus. Answer to this question is option D Ectogalphus. Question number 8. Pyrenoids are made up of option A core of starch surrounded by sheath of protein, option B core of protein surrounded by fatty sheet, option C proteinaceous center and starchy sheet, option D core of nucleic acid surrounded by protein sheet. Answer to this is option C proteinaceous center and starchy sheet. Question. Pyrenoids are characteristically found in the chloroplast of option A fungi, option B algae, option C teratophytes, option D angiosperm. Answer to this question is option B algae. Question number 10. Alginic acid is obtained from option A red algae, option B green algae, option C diatoms, option D brown algae. Answer to this question is option D brown algae. Why brown algae? Alginic acid is a non-sulfated phylocolloid extracted from middle lamella or cells of laminaria or Lawsonia fucus etc. So it is the middle lamella or cell walls of Laminaria, Lawsonia, Fucus, etc.? So the answer is brown algae. Question number 11. Chlamydomonas does not occur in option A, fresh water, option B, pond and lake, option C, river, option D, ocean. Answer is ocean. Question 12. Batrospermum is found in option A, marine water, option B, fresh water, option C, tree, option D, Arctic zone. Answer is option B, fresh water. Question number 13. In oogamy, fertilization involves option A, a large non-motile female gamete and a small non-motile male gamete. Option B, a large motile female gamete and a small non-motile male gamete. Option C, a small non-motile female gamete and a large motile male gamete. Option D, a large non-motile female gamete and a small motile male gamete. Answer is option D, a large non-motile female gamete and a small motile male gamete, because oogamy is most advanced type of reproduction in which male gamete is motile, smaller, male gamete is motile and smaller, and non-food storing called atherozoid, while female gamete is storing non-motile larger called oogonium. So this is motile and smaller and non-food storing. It does not store food. Non-food storing. Whereas female gamete is food storing, non-motile and larger, so called as oogonium. So answer is option D. Question. Algae attached to stone is called as option A, epilithic, option B, epifolic, option C, conolithic, option D, none of these. Answer is epilithic. Question. In Spirogyra, ladder-like structures formed in option A, lateral conjugation, option B, fragmentation, option C, palmellera stage, option D, scaliform conjugation. Answer to this question is scaliform conjugation. Question. Cells of eulithics are option A, round, option B, spherical, option C, cylindrical, option D, rectangular. Answer is option C, cylindrical, because eulithics is unbranched filament. Eulithics is unbranched. It's an unbranched filament consisting of numerous cylindrical cells joined end to end. So these cylindrical cells are joined end to end. Question. Bryophytes resemble algae in the following aspects. Option A, filaments, body, presence of vascular tissues and autotrophic nutrition. Option B, differentiation of plant body into root, stem and leaves and autotrophic nutrition. Option C, thallus-like plant body, lack of vascular tissues and autotrophic nutrition. Option D, thallus-like plant body, presence of root and autotrophic nutrition. Answer is option D, thallus-like plant body, presence of root and autotrophic nutrition. Question. Compared with the gametophytes of the bryophytes, the gametophytes of vascular plants tend to be option A, smaller and to have smaller sex organs. Option B, smaller but to have larger sex organs. Option C, larger but to have smaller sex organs. Option D, larger and to have larger sex organs. Answer is option A, smaller and to have smaller sex organs. Gametophytes are reduced and few celled in all vascular plants. Gametophytes are reduced and few celled in all vascular plants. So answer is A smaller and 2 have smaller sex organs. Next question. Funaria gametophytes is option A dioecious and autoecious, option B monoecious and autoecious, option C dioecious and heteroecious, option D monoecious and heteroecious. Answer is option B monoecious and autoecious, because monoecious means both male and female. Monoecious means both male as well as female sex organs are born on the same plant body, and autoecious means, so these male and female sex organs are born on the same plant body. So this is the meaning of monoecious. Now autoecious means green photosynthetic. Green photosynthetic. So answer is monoecious and autoecious. Who among the following was a paleobotanist? Option A P. Maheshwari, option B S.R. Kashyap, option C Sahani, option D Cedrus. Answer is option C Sahani. Birbal Sahani was a famous Indian paleobotanist. He established famous Birbal Sahani Institute of Paleobotany in Lucknow and described Wilsonia sewardiana. So Birbal Sahani was a famous Indian paleobotanist and he described Wilsonia sewardiana. So answer is option C Sahani. Next question. Club moss belongs to option A algae, option B pteridophyta, option C fungi, option D bryophyta. Answer is option B pteridophyta. The club mosses division Lycophyta are now divided to representatives a few centimeters in height. The leaves are small and scale-like, resembling the leaf-like structures of mosses. So the leaves are small and scale-like, resembling the leaf-like structures of mosses. Club mosses of the genus Lycopodium, commonly known as ground pine, form a beautiful ground cover in some temperate coniferous and deciduous forest. So answer is option B pteridophyta. Next question. Neck canal cells in Diopterus are option A 1 with 2 nuclei, option B 2, option C 1 with 1 nucleus, option D 4. The answer is option A 1 with 2 nuclei, because neck is made up of 4 vertical rows of cells, slightly curved and encloses a neck canal cell which is binucleated. So it is binucleated, hence the answer is 1 with 2 nuclei. Next question. Spirogenia of asparagide ferns. Option A possess a single layer of wall cells. Option B produce very few spores. Option C originate from a group of initial cells. Option D dihenses at the region of a well-defined stomium. So answer is option C, originate from a group of initial cells. Asparagine type of sporangium develops from a group of superficial initials. Develops from a group of superficial initials. They divide periclinally into outer and inner. So they divide periclinically into outer and inner. Next question. The basal portion of ligule sclangella is hemispherical and is called option A lusopodium, option B on of ligule, option C bundle sheath, option D pedicel of ligule. Answer is option A glossopodium. Ligule has three parts. Ligule has three parts. First is base, then body and lamella. Glossopodium is surrounded by glossopodium sheet. Surrounded by glossopodium sheet. So answer is glossopodium. Next question. Which of the following plants is monoecious? Option A Marchantia, option B Pinus, option C Cycas, option D Papaya. Now meaning of monoecious is both male as well as female sex organs born on the same plant body. So relating with the options, the answer is option B Pinus. Next question. Winged seeds are found in option A Cycas, option B Pinus, option C Papaver species, option D none of the above. Answer is option B Pinus. In Pinus, as a seed matures, a thin layer of ovuliferous scale fuses with testa of the seed in the form of a wing. So in Pinus, as the seed matures, a thin layer of ovuliferous scale fuses with testa of the seed in the form of a wing. This helps in dispersal of seeds. So this helps in dispersal of seeds. Next question. A microsporophile in Pinus has option A 1 microsporangium on the adaxial side, option B 1 microsporangial on the abaxial side, option C 2 microsporangia on the adaxial side, option D 4 microsporangia on the lower side. Answer is option C 2 microsporangia on the adaxial side. Wood of cycas is option A monoxylic and monoxylic, option B monooxylic and polyxylic, option C diploxylic, option C monoxylic. So answer is option B monoxylic and polyoxylic. The wood is loose, soft. It is loose, soft, non-porous, commercially useless, parenchymatous tissue mode, vascular tissue less pith and cortex broad. Medulla rays wide, example cycas wood. So answer is monoxylic and polyoxylic. Next question. A protective cap or hook-like covering on the developing capsule in a moss or liverwort is known as option A spine, option B calfera, option C laudicule, option D caltrogen. Answer is option A, option B caltra. It is the outermost protective covering of moss and liverwort. So caltra is the outermost protective covering of moss and liverwood. So option B. Next question. Flagellated male gametes are present in the three of which one of the following sets are? Option A, Anthoceras, Funaria and Spirogyra. Option B, Zygnema, Sapalogenia and Hydrilla. Option C, Fucus, Marsilia and Calotrophics. Option D, Rheca, Dryopteris and Cycas. Answer is option D. The male gametes of Riccia and Dryopteris have flagella while and this have the male gametes of Riccia and Dryopteris have flagella. They have flagella. While male gametes of Cycas have cilia. So answer is option D.